The Hubble Space Telescope. In 1990, the world entered a new age of space exploration with the launch of the Hubble Space Telescope. It was named after Edwin Hubble, an American astronomer who showed that the universe is expanding. The telescope was sent into space by the Space Shuttle Discovery on April 24, 1990. It was placed in orbit about 547 kilometers above Earth, where it could look at the stars and galaxies without the problem of Earth's atmosphere blocking the view. Why was Hubble so important? Telescopes on Earth are powerful, but our atmosphere makes the images blurry. Light from distant stars is bent and scattered by air, dust, and clouds. Hubble, floating in space, has no such problem. It can see the universe much more clearly than any ground telescope. At first, Hubble had a big problem. Its main mirror was made incorrectly. The mistake was small, but it made the pictures blurry. Many people worried that the mission had failed, but NASA did not give up. In 1993, astronauts flew to Hubble and fixed the problem by adding special instruments. After that, the telescope began sending back amazing pictures. Over the years, Hubble showed us the beauty and mystery of the universe. It took sharp images of galaxies, nebulae, and planets. One of its most famous pictures is the Pillars of Creation, showing giant clouds of gas and dust where new stars are born. Another is the Hubble Deep Field, where the telescope looked at one small dark area of space for many days. The picture showed thousands of galaxies that had never been seen before. This proved how big and full of galaxies the universe really is. Hubble also helped scientists measure the age of the universe. Before Hubble, scientists only had rough guesses. With its data, they could calculate that the universe is about 13.8 billion years old. It also gave strong evidence for dark energy, a mysterious force that makes the universe expand faster. Hubble has also looked closer to home. It has studied planets in our solar system, including Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. It captured storms on Jupiter, rings around Saturn, and even changes in the atmosphere of Mars. These studies gave scientists a better understanding of our own neighborhood in space. One special thing about Hubble is that it can be repaired in space. Astronauts visited it 5 times between 1993 and 2009. They replaced cameras, fixed parts, and upgraded systems. Each time, Hubble came back stronger and better. These repair missions showed what humans can do when science and courage come together. More than 30 years after its launch, Hubble is still working. It has made over 1.5 million observations and helped write more than 20,000 scientific papers. Even though a new telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope, was launched in 2021, Hubble continues to be important. The two telescopes now work together. Hubble sees invisible and ultraviolet light, while Webb sees in infrared. Together, they give us a richer and deeper picture of the universe. The Hubble Space Telescope is more than just a machine. It is a symbol of human curiosity and the desire to explore. It shows that even when we face problems, we can fix them and keep moving forward. For students, dreamers, and explorers, Hubble is a reminder that the universe is full of wonders, waiting to be discovered.